everyone! Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this miniature popsicle castle with a working drawbridge. Now there's a few things to keep in mind before starting this project. First off, the pair of scissors you choose is crucial. And second of all, your floor of your room might end up looking somewhat like this after you are done. Now if you are okay with all this, then keep watching and I'll take you step by step on how to build this. Okay, first step is to cut off all the rounded ends of your popsicle sticks. And once you have that, we're going to cut off half of the tip of each popsicle stick so it looks kind of like an L. The second step is to separate your popsicle sticks into groups of 4 and glue them together in a half circle shape. You can use regular glue or hot glue, but I recommend hot glue as it is difficult to hold the shape while you wait for regular glue to dry. Once you have all your half circle shapes done, you can now pair them up and glue them together at the top and bottom. Using a piece of the jumbo stick, I also capped off all of the pillars. With our now completed pillars, we want to create 2 more that are slightly smaller, about this size. Next up, we'll be doing the sidewalls of the castle, so cut out 10 pieces of popsicle sticks squared off and lay them out in groups of 2, 5 high. Next, we're going to use the flat edges of the supporting popsicle sticks to glue on a walkway for the wall. We're going to do that on both sides. And I would recommend adding a few scraps of popsicle sticks on each side for additional support. So now your side wall should be looking like this, but to make it look more like a castle wall, we're going to be taking little squares of popsicle and placing them on the top, so it should look like this when you're done. Now for the front wall, take a jumbo popsicle stick and cut off the end, and we'll use this as our door. And then trace the door onto the wall and cut it out. You'll also want to add 2 little notches beside the doorway because we'll be using that to thread through string for our drawbridge. Now before we glue the walkway on the top edge, make sure to line your doorway with additional pieces of popsicle stick to close off the area. Now I'm going to be threading the string through the little notches I made, starting with the back of the front wall, working my way to the front. And let's add more little squares of popsicle stick on the top. The final thing we need to make is the matching wall for the back of the castle. Now lay your door down and glue the string on top of it. And once that's in place, lay an additional door the same size down and sandwich the string in between. Now the only step left is to glue all of the pieces together. And this is the finished product, a miniature castle with a working drawbridge. I hope you enjoyed watching and maybe learned something along the way. If you have any suggestions on what you want to see in the future, just leave a comment down below and I'll be sure to listen. But other than that, have a great day and I'll see you guys later. Bye!